In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can lower your ping and fix lag here in Roblox on a PC. Because let's be honest, nobody likes it when things get slow. Before we do dive in this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But first things first, what I recommend doing before doing anything is just power cycling your home network. This essentially means unplugging your modem or router and just waiting 30 to 60 seconds and then plugging it back in. Sometimes all your connection does need is just a little reset, kind of like when you've been going too hard and just need like a quick break. Now, if it is possible for you to use a wired connection, I also recommend using that instead of Wi-Fi because wired is much faster and more stable, and you'll get a way better performance when things are plugged in directly. But if you do have to use Wi-Fi, don't worry. Here's what you're going to want to do while you are in Roblox. Go ahead and press F1 to pull up this section and minimize your screen. And from here, go ahead and go to the search bar and type in Wi-Fi and hit enter. It's going to take you to your Wi-Fi settings right here. And what you're going to want to do is actually select show available networks and select your Wi-Fi. And what you're going to want to do is just change your preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. You can do this by going to the DNS server assignment section and then just hitting edit and changing it from automatic to manual and then typing those numbers in. The Google DNS numbers are like a cheat code for faster, smoother performance. Just save it all at the bottom and then hop back in Roblox and test it out and you should be good to go. Yeah, that's it. Your connection should now feel a lot tighter, a lot smoother, and a lot more satisfying. If this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.